Experiencing connectivity issues with your Tesla Model S and the Tesla app? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps for account, Bluetooth, and mobile access problems. Connectivity issues can stem from several factors: problems with account authentication, Bluetooth connectivity, or mobile access through cellular or Wi-Fi. Newer models generally have fewer issues, but this video will cover solutions for all Model S vehicles. Let's start by looking at the Tesla vehicle interior, where the touchscreen displays navigation and app connectivity status. Bluetooth pairing is essential for seamless connectivity. This screen shows how to pair your phone with the Model S. Account authentication begins with signing into the Tesla app. Ensure your credentials are correct and up to date. The Tesla app provides mobile access to control features like climate, charging, and remote commands. Let's start with account authentication. If the app displays unable to connect, try these steps. First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Tesla app, version 4.20 Plus as of 2026. Log out of the app and then log back in. Make sure two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled for added security. Clear the app's cache or reinstall the app if problems persist. These steps reset your connection to Tesla's servers. Bluetooth connectivity is essential for keyless entry and media streaming in your Tesla Model S. Start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and that your vehicle is within 30 feet. Make sure your Model S is within Bluetooth range, typically up to 30 feet without obstacles. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth to access the pairing options. Select your phone from the list and choose Forget Device to clear the current connection. On your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and forget the Tesla device as well. Now repair your phone with the Model S by selecting it from the available devices list. If you have an older Model S from before 2020, the Bluetooth module version 4.0 or earlier might be causing compatibility issues. Finally, check for Tesla software updates, as version V13 and later include significant Bluetooth stability improvements. Mobile access relies on your Tesla's cellular connection or Wi-Fi. Ensure Allow Mobile Access is enabled in the app's vehicle settings. Check your vehicle's cellular data plan status in the app or contact Tesla support. If in an area with poor cellular reception, try connecting your Tesla to a Wi-Fi network. Toggling airplane mode on your phone can also sometimes refresh the connection. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates to address connectivity bugs in the Model S. Make sure your Model S is running the latest software version to benefit from these fixes. Tesla Software V13, released in late 2025, brought major improvements to app integration and Bluetooth stability. Always check release notes for specific fixes related to connectivity. These updates often include patches for known issues. Let's examine real-world case studies to understand how Tesla connectivity issues have been resolved. In 2024, a 2018 Model S owner faced persistent Bluetooth pairing failures due to a handshake bug. The V12.3 over-the-air update completely resolved this, achieving an 85% success rate for similar cases without requiring any hardware changes. In 2025, Tesla owners in urban areas like New York City experienced connection drops caused by interference from nearby 5G towers. Tesla quickly addressed this with an over-the-air patch that improved Bluetooth signal handling, resulting in users reporting 10 times faster pairing speeds after the fix. For rural connectivity challenges, a 2023 case involved a Model S owner in Montana who lost mobile access during a trip due to weak cellular signals. By switching to Wi-Fi tethering from a mobile hotspot, they regained stable app control, demonstrating the effectiveness of hybrid connectivity solutions for remote areas. These case studies illustrate that the majority of Tesla Model S connectivity problems are software-related and can be fixed through over-the-air updates or simple configuration changes, rather than requiring expensive hardware repairs. The future of Tesla connectivity includes AI-driven diagnostics that will predict and automatically fix connectivity issues before they become problems. Satellite-based connectivity, through partnerships like Starlink, will ensure reliable app control even in areas with poor cellular coverage. Experts emphasize user education on device ecosystems, keeping software updated, and maintaining a stable network environment for optimal connectivity. Full integration with next-generation standards like Bluetooth 6.0 is expected to resolve most of today's connectivity challenges.